Nursery admissions in the capital are in a bind again. The Supreme Court has stayed the Delhi High Court order from last week allowing nursery admissions to go ahead. And parents are finding themselves in a difficult position. Today's verdict means schools can't take in students even if the fees have been paid or the uniforms been bought. But perhaps there will be more clarity on the issue next week, as the next date of hearing is the 16th of April.
Shantanu Mehrotra's daughter Sonakshi is 4.5 years old. He applied to 22 schools and got rejected because of the endless court cases. He finally secured an admission this week, but that has been put on hold by the Supreme Court.
It's the same back to the same ordeal. We are kind of the same dilemma that whether we have the safe seat right now or whether that admission would also be scrapped or whatever the situation means.
The Supreme Court once again stayed the nursery admission process, leaving the fate of thousands of children hanging in the balance. This after parents with transfer points went back to the Supreme Court asking why only they were losing out after the last High Court judgment.
Far from relieved, transfer cases like Pragya claim they still have a long battle ahead.
Penalize those parents who are using fake documents to get their child admitted. See, as simple as that, if you penalize a 3-year-old whose parents were genuinely moved and have faced all the hardship.
It's been an endless back and forth. On Feb 24th, a writ petition was filed in the High Court for the removal of transfer points. The next day, another PIL was filed on the same matter. On the 27th of Feb, the Directorate of Education withdrew transfer points through a notification. On March 6, after hearing a plea by parents on transfer points, the court asked for a fresh draw of lots. On March 12th, a double bench stayed that order as well. On April 3rd, the court reinstated the first draw of lots, calling it valid, while holding the decision on transfer point cases hanging till April 16th.
Till now, there have been multiple litigations and I think more than 50 or 20 notifications by DOE. And the third time when the nursery admission is being stayed in the last 2 months. So this has become a totally joke and there's a lot of confusion for the parents.
A notice has now been issued to the Delhi government. For the schools, this verdict means that they can't take in students even if they have paid the fees or bought uniforms.
You can't play with the lives of small kids. I don't say that go away from all the policies which have been made, but there should be a system that don't take it again and again.
With Bhairavi Singh in New Delhi, Soumya Menon, NDTV.